This is John with WTI. And as I've been trying to cut down a little bit when it comes to the calories, this is where this Bai antioxidant beverage comes into place. This is the watermelon flavor. And let me tell you something. I've had some of these antioxidant beverages before, but this is the best one that I've had. This watermelon flavor is actually pretty good. It tastes awesome. It gives you like a nice aftertaste. And the fact that it has this antioxidants properties and it actually comes with a little bit of vitamin C and all the properties of the watermelon, it actually tastes awesome. The flavor, pretty good. The benefits that you can get from it, in my personal opinion, has been great. I go around in my backpack or everywhere I go with one of these right now. And the whole opportunity is like no calories overall, like 10 calories, it says already. No artificial sugars, like really low on it. And if you just like compare from this to a soda, this is actually a win-win situation. So this was John with WTI, and that was my point of view.